Hi guys, in this new video we're going to unbox my new monitor, which is the MSI Optix G241VC, and this video was long overdue. This video was shot 2 months ago, and I think it is the perfect time to publish this, and I only had the time right now to edit this and have a voiceover. So I purchased this monitor at Shopee at around 7,099 pesos or 150 USD. So I purchased this one because my pet, which died already, um, destroyed my previous monitor. Okay, as you can see in this one, the box is covered with thick layer of bubble wrap, and I'm very careful in this part to remove the bubble wrap because I know that the label says that it is fragile. So as you can see in this part, the bubble wrap is very thick, and I'm just fast forwarding this because it may take some time if I put this in its regular speed. So as you can see, there's a dog behind me, which is my dog, which his name is Lilo. He is at around 3 months at that time. So as you can see, I'm almost finished removing this bubble wrap, and we will proceed on the next layer, which is the newspaper. Okay, go. Okay, now let's just remove this one and proceed to the newspaper. As you can see in this part, it is very easy to remove since it is not that thick. And the brand of my monitor is MSI, a Taiwanese brand. As you can see, there's some Chinese characters there, and as you can see, I'm hovering the box right now. It is a curved gaming monitor. Also has 75 hertz of refresh rate, and just read it there. Okay, let me just focus this one, and as you can see, there's a seal there, and let me just remove that one. Okay, this white paper is the receipt that I got from the seller, and let's just open this lid. Now it shows true gaming, even though I'm not a gamer. So while removing this one, let's just remove the things outside of the box. So in this part, I'm just going to show some equipments or the things that included in the box. There's a stand for the monitor. Okay, let me just focus this a little. It is more like a, I don't know. And this one is what is this? This is, okay, this is the another part for the monitor stand, which connects to the monitor itself. So the second thing in this one is this start guide, which has the steps in order for me to proceed into assembling the monitor later. And this one is the warranty. Oh, this is the warranty card. And okay, let me just check this. I will read this later. So the next one is some peripherals for the monitor stands. And then we have the HDMI. Also, we also have VGA cables. And lastly, the most important is the power cable. Okay, let's just proceed to the assembly time. This is the assembly time. Remove the lid, and let's just remove the monitor from its cover and proceed to the assembly part in which I will input some of the parts that needed for this monitor to stand. As you can see, there is some steps here for me to be able to do this properly. And as you can see, I will start with this one, and I'm just fast forwarding this again because it takes time to assemble this rather. So as you can see, plug in for power cable, the HDMI, and the VGA. Okay, let's just proceed to the fast forward. Let's just fast forward it again. Okay, now I think we're almost finished here, since after this monitor should be able to stand on its own. I'm just connecting some peripherals, which is the power cable. I just connect the HDMI, and so you can see this one is curved, and just adjust it. Depends on your orientation, or depends on your likeness or liking. As you can see, now it can stand on its own, and it can now be plugged in. So in order to turn this on, just tap this one. Once it shows the blue light, now it should now work. Okay, as you can see, we will go to settings and go to system, display, and advanced display settings. We need to adjust the refresh rate to 75 to maximize its capacity, because if my previous monitor is only 60 hertz. Keep changes. Now it should now be working. That summarizes my unboxing. If you've enjoyed this video and you want more information about the monitor, you can check out the description below. This is me again, JC. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye!